Welcome. It's Pro Dryer Vent Cleaning, and everybody's been asking for me to share a video how I clean dryer vents. So this is going to be a little example how we do it. First thing we do is we unplug the cord, and then I get the impact and I loosen the hose. Go ahead and loosen it. So we got to take off the hose, and I like to clean that out. Okay, so go ahead and peel the hose off. And it's stuck. Sometimes I get a little stuck from all the lint, so what we have to do, remove it. Okay. Then we get the dryer all the way, and I run a metal brush all the way up. I like to push the lint up to the roof so that lint goes up outside of the house instead of inside. So we run it all the way up till he reaches the roof. And then I'll go up there and go grab the brush and we clean the roof cap. A lot of the lint gets stuck on the roof. So right now during Corona, we wear masks, but even before we have to because of all the lint. So I don't know when you're watching this. He's gonna run all the way till he gets to the roof. So you're supposed to clean your dryer every 1 or 2 years. But a lot of people don't. They don't know that the dryer vent goes to the roof. So I think you're there. Let me check. Yes. So now go with me to the roof. Bring the brush. And we're gonna check it. So a lot of the lint gets stuck up here on the roof cap. So that's why we go up here and clean it. Also, when I'm here, I also check your roof. This one's got some holes right there. But anyway, that's not why I'm here today. I will let it know. Your dryer vent usually has a cap like this. And these get plugged. Matter of fact, you can see all the lint built up. Oh, he's already there. You see the brush? So all this lint gets stuck on the roof. And this cap, you can see, it's totally plugged up. So what I'm gonna do is take the cap off and go wash it with the hose. So anyway, you see how dirty this dryer was? Unfortunately, she had called an appliance company thinking her dryer was bad, only to realize it wasn't. So most of our clients call us because of that. So my goal is to get you guys to do it on a maintenance basis. This stuff right here, that's a fire hazard. If I had a lighter, this thing would just flame up. So if you need your dryer vents clean because you don't want all this stuck in your dryer or slowing down the dry time, we can help. And this is how Pro Dryer Vent Cleaning cleans your dryer vents, or PJP Handyman. Give us a call at 210-330-2820. God bless.